Okay, welcome back to my tutorials. Today I'll be showing you the easy way to remove background on your images. So just go to your browser and type in BG Remover, BG Remove, BG Remove, or you can type it as a whole, background remove. Okay, let's go to all because I was in the image. Here is it. It's called www.remove.bg. Remove background from the image. Okay, let's click on it. It's totally free, no cost. It's just free. Okay, it's loading. Okay, here is it. Look like this with this logo. Then the first step is just upload your image. Upload your image from your computer. Then you select the image that you want to remove a background. Here's the image I want to remove a background. It's like this. Okay, let's open the image originally. It's removing a background. Boop, the background is removed. Then download the PNG file. You can go and edit in Photoshop or wherever you want to edit on it, or you want to create a poster, it's fine. Here's our page. It's downloaded. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Photoshop, After Effects, WordPress. Make sure you like and subscribe. There is a link down here for this tutorial, for this website to remove background. Like and share and subscribe. Stay blessed. See you next time.